360 Link 2 Pro, the 4K AI webcam. Let's unbox this thing and see how good it really is. The package on this is super clean. I'm using the CN Tower to open it. Let's see what you get in the box. This is a magnet for your monitor. Tells you how to do it right there. Place your monitor in the center of the base and it sticks to it. Video tutorials, I'm assuming just stickers, nothing special. Comes with an adapter, which is really nice actually. For those who don't have USB-C, USB-A works. This is a really long USB-C to USB-C cable, and obviously do not eat this. The Insta360 itself, it's super small, has a microphone. I'm super excited to get into this, so let's set this thing up right away. Link will be down below for this camera as well, but I'm assuming also has a 1/4-inch thread that you can put on like a tripod and use it as a tripod as well, but no, it just needs to be plugged in. So let's set this thing up. Okay, let's set this thing up. I'm assuming it should be pretty easy to sit on your desktop. So all you have to do is like so, let it rest at the top. I don't think it will go anywhere, and like that. Now let's plug in our USB-C cord. Now I'm gonna open QuickTime Player, new movie recording. There it is. Look at that quality, it's actually really good. And it's following me. Let's record this right now and we'll put the mic on as well. We are testing the Insta360 Link 2 Pro right now. Basically, I'm gonna be discussing my iPhone. What time is it? It's 1:08, just kidding, I'm not discussing anything, peace out. We're taking it back now. We're taking it back to, this is the Insta360 I'm recording on right now with the audio, so comment down below what your thoughts are. I think it is really good. But what we're gonna do is you're gonna wanna go to this website right here. I'll paste it down in the description below. Insta360.com/download/Insta360-link. Anyway, you're gonna wanna download the Insta360 Link controller as well as the firmware. This is just for any updates. So we'll go ahead and download both of them and we will wait for that. Okay, we're back. Both of them are downloaded. So let's open the unsupported format. That's weird. Anyway, so it looks like you might have to do the firmware first. So we'll get through that, install, do the password. Okay, once you do your password, it's gonna install all the files, close, move to trash, we don't need it anymore. So, okay, I figured it out. Once you download this, you're seeing to me right now, but what you're gonna see, you actually don't open this file at all. You just go on the Insta360 controller app, just search it up, Insta360. And from there, what will happen is it'll just open. Apparently this file right here is only for updating the Insta360, nothing else. So let's update it. This might glitch out a little bit. I don't know, you can still see me. So you're gonna wanna download the firmware update. And then from here, this is where you can track everything. You can actually specifically record just from here. I'm using a different program right now to record because I wanted to capture my screen as well. But let's take a tour of the app when you're done. So let's see, let's just go through the app here. It looks like drag the mouse to control the gimbal direction. Wow. That is crazy. Let me just stop let me stop this for a sec. Okay, you guys don't care to see two of me. So with the mouse right now, I'm zooming in and zooming out. The zoom is not bad. Let's zoom in on a product right now. So let's see. We got the Pocket 3 right here. Let's zoom out. It's pretty good at focusing as well. If I were to show you something on example on my phone, yeah, that's good. That's good quality. And let's go out here. So AI tracking on and off, easy, whiteboard mode. Not sure how this works. Let's get this piece of paper. Okay, so it zoomed in on it. That's not bad. I don't know if you guys can even read it, but like whiteboard mode, I wouldn't be using to be. Let's check out desk view. Desk view. This is not really. Okay, if I do this, works a little bit, but like not really that great if I'm being honest. Yeah, desk view is kind of mid. Desk view is okay. I mean, my desk is a little bit weird. I'd probably want to set it up differently. There we go. Oh, there we go. Catch my face. What else do we got on here? You can switch the quality to 4K here. Audio. We're back now. What else we got? Remote control, virtual camera. When off, virtual camera will be unavailable. I don't even know what that does. Hand gestures. Here we got zoom. Okay, you gotta wait a little bit. Oh, what the heck? Let's try zoom here. Okay, so right now I see it's flashing. But we got effects. Okay, this is not bad. For different meetings. Makeup. What the? That is crazy. Image. So this is where you can actually change the image itself. And you can make an account. But other than that, it's pretty simple. Screenshot. Start recording. Yeah, I mean, that's the Insta360. It's a pretty cool camera. Just for a webcam itself and recording videos like this, it is really neat. So comment down below if you guys like videos like this and if you're interested in seeing. If I'm not looking at the camera because I'm looking at myself on the screen and see how the quality is. But yeah, link will be down below. For the price is really worth it. I'm sure there's so many more settings. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and setup. I'll do a further video down the line, but let me know your thoughts. Look forward to hearing from it. Look forward to hearing back from you guys what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.